Hi, did you see in Cybersecurity Law 360 last week the story about a large law firm that was subject to a ransomware attack on a Saturday, and the following Thursday they were still struggling to communicate with their clients and to restore their operations back to normal? Hi, I'm Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions when we provide cybersecurity advice and protection. And I'd like to walk through some examples you might be able to derive from this unfortunate event that happened to Seyfarth and Shaw LLP on October 10th. So I'll take you through a couple of them, and I would like you to think about, how this might impact your firm or one of your clients. But I also want you to know that, not to worry too much. There are things that you can do to help yourself avoid this situation. And using someone like us helps you through that. So first thing of note is that it happened on a Saturday, and you might think, well, that's odd or random, but in fact, a lot of attacks happen on the weekends because the culprits can get in for typically two to 3 days before they're found out. And so that gives them a head start and makes it more difficult for you. Now, on the following Thursday, the firm came out with a statement, said that there's no evidence that any firm or client data has been compromised and that they were in the process of restoring their data and their email system. So that sounds great, right? It's really confident, right? There's no evidence. But one thing you should keep in mind is that if there is a ransomware attack on your company, more than likely, you're not going to know if any data has been taken outside the company or not, unless you've been prepared ahead of time with the right monitoring software to detect and do forensic analysis that's like after the fact to go back. So if you do it correctly, you would, before there's an attack, you'd have some software on your systems that would alert you on Saturday that you have an attack and it's ongoing and would start shutting down your systems. It would have records and logs of all the activity in and out of your system. So on Saturday, you could go out to the press or whoever and communicate to your clients that you caught it and nothing has been released. Not that there's no evidence, but that you have evidence that nothing has been let out into the wide dark web. So a couple of these, there's a lot of more examples we could go through on this, but just keep in mind that you don't have to be like petrified. There are things that you can do, and we're here to help you. Again, it's Steve Conyers with CMIT Solutions, and helping you with your cybersecurity concerns.